This simple video discusses about how to add folders with filters in our Yahoo and Gmail accounts to organize our incoming emails. I shall try to demonstrate this concept. I have already opened and logged into my Yahoo account and also Gmail accounts. First, I'll try to explain this in Yahoo. Check up the folders, left hand side column. If we click on folders, you will get a plus icon. Press that one. You will get a text box. Assume that I want to create a folder with the name GVPCEW Mid 2. I enter the same and press enter key. Now we get a pop-up window indicating that GVPCEW Mid 2 folder is ready. Now if we want, we can apply filter. Click the filters option. With the help of filter, we can organize the incoming emails. There are many ways you can organize, or you can design the filter. You can specify that if an email comes from so and so email address, it should go to some folder. Or if it is coming from someone and having some message in the subject field, that can be sent to some other folder. It is up to you. Whatever way you want it, you can design our filter. Now I wanted to design my filter such a way that if an incoming email contains, the subject field of it contains GVPCEW Mid 2, I wanted those emails should be sent to this newly created folder GVPCEW2. I am calling this filter name as Mid 2. I have entered filter name as Mid 2. I wanted to select those incoming emails whose subject field contains GVPCEW Mid 2. Thus, I have entered in the subject line, there is a text field GVPCEW Mid 2. You can enter any other search string or any other string. Also, we need to specify to which folder this type of messages has to go. So I have changed the same as the folder which we have created earlier. Its name is GVPCEW Mid 2. Then you have to press save. I just wanted to check whether this will work or not. For this, I am now switching to my Gmail account. As I have already logged in the Gmail account, I have simply pressed compose button. I want to create an email and send to this Yahoo account where that folder is created and that filter is also created. In the subject field, I have entered JVPCEW mid2. I have typed a simple message hello in the body of this email and pressed send button. This is going to be received by my Yahoo account. Now I am switching to my Yahoo account to check whether this is received or not. Not only received, I want to see whether it is in the folder or not. I have clicked JVPCEW mid2 folder. It shows that the folder is empty. Probably that message might have not yet arrived to this email box. I will wait for a while. I have checked again this folder. Now I have seen the email. That's how the mail which came from my Gmail account having the subject field JVPCEW mid2 is now available in this folder in my Yahoo. That's how the incoming emails can be sent to a particular folder. This is to organize our mailbox. Now let us try to do similar thing in Gmail account. In Gmail, we have to create label for achieving this one. For that purpose, you have to go to settings. Click label. Click create new label button. We get a pop-up window. So I have entered mid2 as the name of new label which I wanted to create. Once you enter a label name and press enter, again you will go to settings. There you have to click filters. Then you have to select create new filter option. We get a pop-up window. There you can enter whatever criteria you want. For example, if we want emails coming from a particular email ID, you can specify the same in from field. However, I wanted those emails which are coming from anywhere but having subject as mid2. Thus, I have entered mid2 in the subject line. Now we need to select the label to which this filter has to be applied. Do remember this label is same as folder of Yahoo. Thus, you have to select choose label. In the resulting pull down menu, you select the folder or label which you have created. its name is also incidentally mid2. In fact, the mid2 we have used as a filter criteria and also label name. Not necessarily they should be same, they can be different also. Now simply click create filter button, which creates filter and also links the same to a label. In this case, the filter criteria is subject having mid2 string, and those emails which are having subject field with mid2 to be sent to the label mid2, that is folder mid2. You can see the filter that is created in our mailbox. Now I wanted to test. Thus, this time I will go to Yahoo account, my Yahoo account. From there, I wanted to send an email which contains subject as mid2. Thus, I have just simply gone to my Yahoo account and clicked compose button. I have entered my Gmail email ID in the to field, and also in the subject line I have entered mid2. Then I simply press the send button. I have returned to my Gmail mailbox. I have simply clicked mid2 label. I have the email that is sent from my Yahoo account in mid2 folder or label. That's how labels can be created in Gmail. In this video lesson, I have explained how to create a folder and filter in Yahoo and also in Gmail. Hope